We're waiting in line for glasses for the solar eclipse so we can do it safely and have a lot of fun.
It's an amazing event here. Everyone's happy, it's joyful, it's a great event.
I'm here to see the eclipse.
This is an amazing moment.
One per family, one per group.
It's a part of energy, it's a part of our lives, and it changes us. For a moment, everything's different, and it gives you new energy. Everyone here is going to walk out of here with new energy.
It gives you a good feeling. It's being part of something unique and part of history.
I look through this part of the box, and then the sun comes through this hole, and it's just like a little tiny dot of light.
Old school welding glasses, 35 years old, my dad was a welder. I got the glass, put it in these, and I see it perfect.
Whoa! Isn't that cool?
Oh, wow, yeah. Oh, yeah.
This is going to be my first eclipse, and I have never seen one.
I saw the eclipse.
What would it look like?
Batman.
It sort of looks like two curves, but one of the curves is over the top of the other. So
Well, I'm glad I got to be here and see it. May not be here for the next one, we don't know.